Hello everyone, welcome to this yoga flow. We're going to start it seated, legs crossed, hands and knees. Let's take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Relax your gaze, look down a little. Take a deep breath in, arm reach up towards the sky. Exhale, right hand comes down, left hand goes towards the right. Stretching your side body, take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. And then on your next inhale, bring both arms to center. Then left arm goes down. Exhale, right hand reaches towards the left. Let's take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Last one like this, deep inhale and slow exhale. Then whenever you're ready, both hands come to center. Inhale, and on exhale, reach your hands forward, folding over your crossed legs. Breathe slowly, deeply here, at your own breath, at your own pace. Whenever you're ready, walk it back. Then we're going to switch our feet. We're going to take a deep breath in, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold over those crossed legs. Breathe here slowly. Then whenever you're ready, walk it back to seated. Right. Then from here, we're going to go into a plank. Hands shoulder width apart, feet hips width apart, strong through the shoulders, strong through the core. Hands right underneath your armpit, lift just your chest off the mat. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift that torso off the mat. Exhale, lower down. Last one like this. Inhale, lift to baby cobra. Exhale, lower down. Then from here, we come to tabletop onto our hands and knees. From tabletop, we're going to set ourselves up for downward facing dog. Tuck your feet under. Feet hips width apart, hands shoulder width apart. Lift your hips up and back. Gaze in between the knees. Push through the hands and shoulders. And walk out your downward facing dog. Switching, bending each knee. Breathing. Deep inhales and slow exhales. Matching movement and breath. Whenever you're ready, come to a full downward facing dog. Bend both knees, and then as you exhale, walk forward to the top of the mat. Forward fold here, then hands to shin, halfway lift. Exhale, come back to your forward fold, and then inhale, reach your arms up all the way to standing. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Right hand, left elbow. Left hand, right elbow. Keeping a slight bend in the knees. Rocking from side to side. Deepening your forward fold. Keep breathing. Nod your head no. Nod your head yes. Just to release some tension in the neck. When you're ready, hands to shin, torso parallel to the ground. Inhale here. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up to standing, reaching your arms over your head. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach your arms over your head. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, hands to shin, torso parallel to the ground. Exhale, plant your hands down and step it back to a plank. From plank, we're going to lower our knees down to tabletop and get ready for some cat-cows. Inhaling, arching the back, gaze goes up to cow. And as we exhale, tuck the abs in, gaze down, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Last one, inhale, cow. exhale, cat. From here, we're going to come to neutral spine, then tuck our feet under, lift our hips up and back, hands shoulder width apart, feet hips width apart, gaze in between the knees, downward facing dog. And when you're ready, after a few breaths, go ahead and walk your feet up to the top of the mat. And we're going to place our right hand underneath our right foot and our left hand underneath our left foot. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Just massaging our wrists here. And then when you're ready, go ahead and release the right hand from underneath the right foot and the left hand from underneath the left foot. Then from here, we're going to come to Malasana. Feet as wide as the mat. Coming to a squat. Lower your hips down. Using your arms for balance. Thighs against forearms. And hands come to prayer pose. Take a deep breath in, lift and lengthen the spine. Exhale, sit lower into those hips. Inhale and exhale, keeping your breath practice. You're gonna feel it right in the hips, right in the groin. Whenever you're ready, plant your hands down, shift your weight forward, come back to a forward fold. Then from here, we're gonna find our way to seated. Hands right by the thighs, lower yourself all the way down to the mat. And we're going to set up for bridge pose. Hands by your side, feet come up to those fingertips, knees up, shoulder blades down. And then on an inhale, we're going to lift those hips up into bridge, keeping the shoulder blades up. Inhale here. Chin away from chest, allowing yourself to breathe and hold for 2 more breaths. Breathing in and out. And exhale, lower yourself down to the mat. Then we're going to windshield wiper our knees back and forth to the left and to the right. Coming into a low twist. Allowing ourselves to release that back bend. Then hug your knees to your chest and rock side to side, massaging the lower spine. Then from here, go ahead and release both legs. Coming into Savasana. Feet as wide as the mat, hands on your side, letting go of your breath practice, relaxing, letting gravity do its work. This is your Savasana, this is your rest. I hope you find this video useful. Namaste.